How do you earn and redeem Rakuten points? Now let's start with earning it first. Rakuten offers two main ways to earn and redeem rewards through its US-based shopping portal, Rakuten.com, and its Japan-based Rakuten Point Club. On Rakuten.com, users can earn Amex membership rewards point by signing up for a free account and linking an eligible American Express card under the How You Get Paid section. When shopping through Rakuten's website, mobile app, or browser extension, users can earn points at participating at retailers. For every $1 in cashback earned, 100 Amex membership reward points are rewarded. Points are automatically transferred to the Amex account quarterly with distribution dates on February 15th, May 15th, August 15th, and November 15th. Additionally, users can earn extra rewards by linking credit cards for in-store cashback offers and referring to friends in Rakuten. Meanwhile, in Japan, Rakuten Point Club members can earn points by shopping online, participating in surveys through Rakuten Insight, or booking travel experiences via Rakuten Travel. Points can be redeemed for online purchases at the rate of 1 point per 1 Japanese yen, used for travel booking or exchange for gift cards and PayPal transfers, starting from 500 points. This is a minimum usage requirement of 1 point per transaction and a maximum redemption limit of 100,000 points per month.